Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, and we are on chapter 8. And in chapter 8 we are going to see, we have finished exercise 8a. Now we are going to check for highest common factor. Now we know what is a factor. Last video we had seen what is a factor. Now we will see what is HCF, that is highest common factor. So HCF stands for highest common factor, and the HCF of two or more given number is greatest number that completely divides each of the given number. What is its meaning? Its meaning is that what is HCF? Highest common factor. Okay, so now highest common factor means, suppose we have two numbers 18 and 24. So the greatest number which divides these two completely is 6. You will say 2 also divides, 3 also divides. Okay? But which is the greatest number which divides 18 and 24? It is 6. 6 is the greatest number which divides 18 and 24 completely. So we say that 6 is highest common factor, that is HCF of 18 and 24. So this we will see in more details. Okay, so let us see the methods of finding HCF. It is common factor method, prime factor method, and division method. So this we will see with examples from the exercise 8b. Okay, so we are on exercise 8b. So first method is common factor method, second is prime factor method, and third is division method. So first we will see common factor method. Okay, very easy, just you should know the tables. If you know the tables, it's very easy. Okay, so HCF is highest common factor, which we have seen. Next is, we are starting exercise 8b, question number 1. Using the common factor method, find the HCF of. So we are, first method we are using common factor method. So what we have to find out? We have to find out HCF of 16 and 35. We have to find out HCF of 16 and 35. For that, find out factors of 16. So factors of 16 are 1 into 16, 2 8s are 4 4s are. So factors are 1, 2, 4. 4 is repeated, so we'll take only once. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So we have written here 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Then f of 35, 1 into 35 gives me 35. 5 7s are also gives me 35. Rest of the tables it doesn't come. So 1, 5, 7 and 35. 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now we have to find HCF. But before that, HCF means highest common factor. So let us see which are the common factors. Common factors means which come here in this, in these factors also, in these factors also. Means factor of 16 and factor of 35. So there is only one number, that is 1, which is common in both. Okay, there is only one factor, that is 1, which is common in f of 16 and f of 35. So we have to write it here. 1. Since only one is common factor is there, so that is only the HCF. Means 16 and 35 gets divisible only by 1. Rest, no other number divides these two completely. Okay, now you will ask if, okay, let us see the second example so that there should not be any confusion left. So 25 and 20, here I have written directly factors of 25, 1, 5 and 25, because 25 comes in only these three tables. F of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. 20 comes in all these tables right from 1 to 20. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out common factor. Common factors are 1 and 5. Means 1 and 5 comes in both the list, f of 25 and f of 20. So 1 and 5. Okay. Now in this, which is highest? In this, 5 is highest. So I will take 5 as the HCF. Okay. So in the list of common factors, the one which is highest, the one which is greatest is HCF. Okay. Let us see the next one, 27 and 75. F of 727 is 1, 3, 9 and 27. You know how, we have seen it in the last video. 1 multiplied by 27 and 3 multiplied by 9. So 1, 3, 9 and 27. So you can see here. Then f of 75. So 1 into 75, 3 into 25, 5 5s are 15 5s are. Since 5 is repeated 3 times, but we should take it only 1 time. So 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Okay. These are our factors. Now in this, which is common fact? Which are common factors? 1, 1, 3 and 3. So we have written here common factors are 1 and 3. So which is greatest? 3 is greatest among these two. So HCF is 3. So we say that HCF of f of 27 and f of 75 is 3. Fourth one we'll see 8, 12 and 16. So f of 8 is 1 into 8, 2 6 are 2 4s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. Okay. So 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are also 8 and 4 2s are also 8. Right. Then factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. 6 is not the factor. 6 is not the factor. So 1, 2, 4 and 8. Here f of 12 we can see 1 12s are 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. F of 16. 1 16s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. 4 is repeated, but we should not take it twice. We should take only once. So what are the common factors? Common factors are 1, 2 and here 4. So in 1, 2, 4, which is the highest? 7 is highest. So we say that 7 is the highest common factor. Okay. Now, fifth one, you can see here 24, 36, 45 and 60. So 1 into 24 gives 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. And again vice versa. 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 12. 2s are 24. 1s are. So we do not take again it. Okay. We do not repeat it. So what are the factors? The factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors. So I have written it here. Similarly, f of 36. 1 multiplied by 36 gives 36. 2 18s are 36. 3 12s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 6 6 are 36. Also 6 6 are 9 4s are 36. 12 3s are 36. 18 2s are 36. 36 1s are 36. So do not repeat this again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. 6 we don't have to repeat. F of 16, same case. 1 multiplied by 60 is 60. 2 30s are 60. 3 20s are 60. 4 15s are 20. 60, 5 12s are 60, 6 10s are 60. Similarly, 10 6s are 60, 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60, 20 3s are 60, 30 2s are 60 and 61s are 60. So instead of writing separately, we have done it this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. So we have written it here. Okay, list is made. Now, after this, what has to be done? After this, just find out which are common. So you can see 1 is common in this, 1 is here also, and here also. So 1, 2. 2 is here. Okay, consider 2 also. 3. In all the 3 list, 3 is there. 4. 1, 2, 3. All the 3 numbers, 4 is there. 6, 6, 6. So 6 is there in all these 3 numbers. One more is there, children. 12. 12, 12 and 12. Okay, so we have written it. Common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Which is highest in this is 12. So I have written 12. The questions which are put forward are generally like, Miss, if suppose A number is common factor is there only in two factors, only in two numbers. Suppose one is the suppose there is a number which is common in these two but not here, so we don't have to consider it. Or sometimes it is there in these two but not here, so we don't have to consider. We have to consider only factor which is common in all the three numbers or all the numbers which are given. Okay, now so this was the first method which we have seen, that is common factor method, right? Now we will see using the prime factor method, find out 5 and 8. Now here we have to use prime factor method. It is the most easiest method for finding out HCF. Okay, let us see how. 5 and 8. Ask first question to yourself, which is the table in which these two numbers come? Ask first question to yourself, which is the table in which these two questions come? 5 and 8 comes in which common table? So answer is 5 and 8 do not come in any other table except 1. Okay, so write here 1. So 5 and 8 only comes in one table, or in other words 5 and 8 are divisible by only 1. Okay, so 1 5s are 1 8s are. So here we have to stop, because if I'll keep on dividing, I'll get 1 1 1 1. So now only this is left, 1 is left, so I say HCF is 1 only. Okay, here also do the same thing. You know that 24 and 49 do not come in any other table except 1. Or in other words, 24 and 49 are only divisible by 1. So take again 1 into 124s and 149s. So what is left here is 1. So 1 is the answer, HCF. Okay. So what you have to consider, 124s and 149s are 49. So again, if you'll keep on, then what to do of these two? Nothing. You don't have to do anything of these two. Or in this case, these two. You have to leave it as it is. You have to divide it until those two numbers are coming in one table, or they are getting divided by one number. It is happening in this case. Let us see. 40, 60 and 80. I know that 40, 60, 80 comes in 2's table. 2 2's are 4. 0 as it is I have taken. 2 3's are 6. 0 as it is. 2 4's are 8. 0 as it is. So you have to check which table, which number divides 40, 60 and 80 completely. So that one number you have to take. So 2 is that number. So I have divided 40, 60 and 80 by 2. After dividing, I have got 20, 30 and 40. Okay. So 2 tens are 20. Means now divide. Now again check a number by which you can divide 20, 30 and 40 completely. Since 0 is at the end, I can opt for 2 or I can opt for 5. So I will first opt for 2. So 2 tens are, 2 15s are and 2 20s are 40. Right? Then 10, 15 and 20. It is clear that 10, 15 and 20, which is the number which divides 10, 15 and 20 completely? It is 5. So 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 5 4s are. Right? Now check 2, 3 and 4 comes in which one table, or it is these three numbers are divisible by which table or which number? No number divides 2, 3 and 4 completely. It can divide separately but not commonly. Okay. So then we have to stop here. Why we have to stop? Because 2, 3 and 4 do not come in any one table, or 2, 3, 4 is not divisible by, are not divisible by any one number. So now what is my HCF then? My HCF will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay. Same way, 48, 84 and 88. Now I have to check 48, 84 and 88. should be divisible by only one table or only one number. Which is that number? Since 8, 4 and 8 are there at the end, it can go by 4, it can go by 2. Okay, always choose. Since it is prime factorization method, we are using prime numbers. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, comma 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. This we are dividing. Okay. So now I have got 24, 42 and 44. 24, 42 and 44. Okay, I hope you are understanding. So 2 12s are, 2 21s are and 2 22s are. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. This way we can divide, or if you don't know to divide orally, you can just see 24 divided by 2, 12s are 24. Okay. So what is the HCF? HCF is product of these two factors. So 2 2s are 4. So my answer is 4. HCF of 48, 84 and 88 is 4. Okay. So I give fifth one as homework. You will solve by yourself. I hope you have understood. And please practice. Practice is the key towards success. Okay. Thank you so much and take care.